Good morning, students of class 10. You're welcome back to the online portal now. Let's continue our lesson in geography. So we are doing agriculture. That is lesson 4, and we have reached over here food crops other than grains. So in our previous class we have talked about sugarcane, and today we'll talk about tea, and in our next class we'll talk about coffee. These are food crops other than food grains. So tea cultivation is an example of plantation agriculture. It grows in a vast area. It is a plantation agriculture, number one. Number two, it is an important beverage crop. Beverage means drinks. Beverage crops introduced by the British. Actually, this tea was introduced in India by the Britishers. So, number three, the tea plants grow well in tropical and subtropical climate. In both the climates, in South India, that is tropical climate they experience, and in northern India, that is subtropical climate. Both areas, in tropical as well as subtropical areas, tea can be grown. Number four, it requires deep and fertile, well-drained soil. Tea requires fertile soil, and water should not stagnate. The water has to run down. So well-drained soil. The water should not collect. So number 5, tea bushes require warm and frost-free climate. Tea bushes require warm climate, but it should be free from frost. During the winter, the dews, they freeze due to very low temperature. That is called frost. That's why in the tea gardens trees are grown, so that it will protect the tea bushes from the frost. So tea bushes require warm and frost-free climate throughout the year. So most of the tea gardens, they have trees in the tree gardens to protect the bushes from the frost. So evenly distributed showers of rain. Good shower of rain is required to ensure the growth of tender leaves. Wherever there is a failure of rain or monsoon, so it has to be irrigated through sprinklers. So it requires abundant, cheap, skilled laborers. It requires abundant means lot of laborers, cheap and skilled laborers, trained. The laborers have to be trained to pluck the tree tender leaves, and it is very labor intensive process. Tea is processed in the tea garden to maintain its freshness. Once the tea leaves are plucked and it is prepared, the tea is prepared in the tea garden in the factory as well. Otherwise, if it is transported for a long distance, the freshness will vanish. So to maintain the process, tea is processed in the tea garden to maintain its freshness. Now here major tea producing states, and now we'll talk about the states that produces or grows tea are Assam, West Bengal, as well as Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And there are other states such as Tripura, Meghalaya, Himachal Pradesh, and certain other states also, they started growing tea. So the main are the Assam, West Bengal, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. These states, they grow tea. So India is the leading producer and exporter of tea in the world. So you go through this properly and remember, and don't waste your time. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and continue about the coffee. So that's all. Thank you very much.